Hey guys, it's Taylor here with another video. Now, having an espresso machine at home is wonderful in that it can make your favorite cup of espresso from the comfort of your own kitchen or at the office. It can also help you save money, especially if you're someone who frequents coffee shops often. With that said, espresso machines do have their share of challenges. For one thing, they require a fair amount of maintenance and care. Some espresso machines can also be difficult to operate, especially if you've never used one before. But if you're someone who loves espresso and is willing to put in the work, then it can be a great investment. And so with that in mind, I've put together a list of the 3 best espresso machines on the market that not only address these factors, but also provide great value for your money. And then, depending on your particular situation, you can see which one might be the best option for you. And as always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below, and if I'm able to get any discounts or coupon codes, I'll include those for you as well. So first up is our pick for the best espresso machine for beginners, and that's going to be the Breville Bambino Plus espresso machine. This awesome espresso machine is super easy to use, and even complete beginners can start pulling espresso shots like a pro in no time. We found ourselves breezing through the manual and had our first cup in minutes. It's that easy. Plus, it's pretty affordable too, at just under $500, which is always a good thing for beginners. Now, in terms of performance, this espresso machine comes with a 19-bar Italian pump, a thermocoil heating system, and a pre-infusion function that helps to evenly distribute the grounds before brewing. This results in a more flavorful cup of espresso. As for operating this espresso machine, well, there are 5 buttons on this unit. 2 are for espresso, another 2 for steam and hot water, and 1 button for controlling milk temperature. And that's it. You won't find any complicated settings and options like on some more expensive high-end models. And among our favorite features of this espresso machine is that it comes with a built-in steam wand. This means that you can use it to froth milk for making cappuccinos and lattes without having to buy a separate frothing pitcher. And it does a great job at it too, creating lovely microfoam that's essential for a great latte. As for build quality, well, it looks and feels very premium. It also has a brushed stainless steel body that's both durable and easy to clean, which is always a plus for espresso machines. Lastly, we love the fact that this machine is very compact. At just 7 inches wide, it's perfect for small kitchens. You can just leave it out on your countertop and it won't take up too much space. Now, if we have to be picky, the only downside to this espresso machine is that it doesn't have a built-in coffee grinder, so you'll need to buy one separately or use pre-ground coffee, which is never as good as freshly ground beans. But still, it's a minor issue considering its low price and everything else that this machine offers. So all in all, the Breville Bambino Plus is the best espresso machine that we can recommend to beginners. If you're looking for an espresso machine that offers great performance, is easy to operate, and won't leave a big dent in your wallet, then this would be the one to get. And next up is our pick for the best all-in-one espresso machine, and that's going to be the Breville Barista Touch. Now, Breville is known for making high-quality espresso machines, and this one is no exception. This is a top-of-the-line espresso machine that comes with everything you need to make great cups of espresso at home. So as the name suggests, this machine is designed for those who want the convenience of an all-in-one machine. And it does not disappoint, as it comes with a built-in burr grinder, a milk frother, and even built-in tamper. So you have everything you need to make espresso, cappuccino, and latte all in one machine. In terms of performance, this espresso machine comes with a 15-bar pump and a thermocoil heating system that ensures water is evenly heated for consistent results. It also has a pre-infusion function that helps to evenly distribute the grounds before brewing. And as for operating this machine, well, it's not as straightforward as the Bambino Plus espresso machine we just talked about, but that's to be expected since you're dealing with an all-in-one machine. That said, there's a touchscreen display on the unit that does a good job of walking you through the process. You can control the amount of coffee, the grind size, and even the milk temperature. So once you get the hang of it, it's not that difficult to use. Now, this espresso machine is programmable as well, so there's room for advanced users to experiment in case you want to make slight adjustments to your drinks. Plus, the build quality is what you'd expect from a Breville product, as it has the same brushed stainless steel body as the other line of quality kitchen products. Now, as for downsides, well, we did find a few cons that are worth mentioning. For one, there's no cup preheating feature on this espresso machine. This would have been a great addition for people who like their espresso piping hot, especially since it's being marketed as an all-in-one device. Also, we would have loved to see an automatic cleaning feature on this espresso machine. This would have made it easier to keep clean and well maintained. But still, both are minor issues, and you can always get around them by preheating your cups and cleaning the machine manually, which isn't that big of a deal. So overall, the Breville Barista Touch is the best all-in-one espresso machine that we can recommend if you're looking for a quality espresso machine that can do it all and don't mind a few minor inconveniences, then this would be the one to get. And last but not least is our pick for the best espresso machine for espresso enthusiasts, and that's going to be the Ascaso Dream Espresso Machine. Now, this espresso machine is for espresso aficionados who want to be able to experiment with their drinks and really dial in their perfect cup of espresso. It's different from the other 2 espresso machines we talked about in that it has a lot more to offer in terms of precision. For starters, you get a programmable shot setting, so you can adjust the shot time and water volume. You can also adjust the temperature in 1-degree increments, which is a really amazing and useful feature. Anyone who's serious about their espresso knows that even a 1-degree difference in temperature can make a big difference in taste and quality. And this espresso machine also comes with a pressure gauge, so you can monitor the pressure and make sure it's at an optimal level. Also, if you want to get really geeky about it, there's even a flow rate meter, so you can fine-tune the speed of the water flow. All of these features come together to give you complete control over the espresso making process. With that said, that level of control does have its downsides. For one thing, it's not for everyone, and complete beginners might find it a bit daunting. Also, because there are so many settings and options, it can be easy to make a mistake and end up with a less than perfect cup of espresso. So basically, the Ascaso Dream is the best espresso machine that we can recommend to people who want to be able to really customize their espresso and experiment with different settings to find out what works best for them. If that sounds like you, then this espresso machine would be the one to get. So that wraps up our list of the best espresso machines. I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment, suggestions for future videos, or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Consumer Buddy family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. So until then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.